Hi, this is a tutorial on how to take your own stage UI for uh, the stage selection screen mod that I provided, or that I uploaded. So what you want to do is go into Smash and select the stages that you are planning on making UI for. And what you want to basically do is take new pictures of them using your camera mod that you downloaded, hopefully. So I want to have a player 2 here. Sorry about that. So you want to have 2 players, and this is at least how I did it. I'm not sure if you can somehow make the entities disappear, but what I did is I have 2 players here, and I'm gonna throw this off the stage. And while we're very far down, this is how I did it at least. If you reset the camera, you can let's see here, scroll or zoom out. You can see that you can see the Mario cap all the way down there, but if you go close enough to the blast zone, you should be fine. So you want to zoom out and take a centered picture for the like stage selection portion of it, like the one that is going to appear in the menu. So you want to be able to take pictures like this, and that'll effectively take a picture that is saved on your Switch. What I'm doing though is I'm using OBS because I have a capture card, because it provides a higher quality picture. Because Switch screenshots are locked to 720p. So you just basically take these pictures, and this centered one is the one that's going to be on the menu itself, but I want one from the side as well, which is the one that's going to appear in the stage preview when you hover over the stage. So I want this one, I think, like right here. And I think we're finished with this one now. Oh wait, there is the FD version, but I gotta go out in the menu again for that. So you want to have one picture for the FD version, the preview stage that is. You want to have one picture from the FD version and one from the Battlefield version as well, unless it is a stage that or stage like Battlefield or Final Destination that is already in its Battlefield version to begin with. So you get that from just going into camera mod and taking pictures. And that's essentially all you have to do in the Smash portion. So I will see you over on the PC to tell you what to do next. Forgot to add another part to this, is that if you are taking your pictures with your Switch, that is with the capture button or the camera tool in-game, you need to import those to your PC. So in order to do that, you need to go to your Switch or Switch home menu rather, and go to your album. And if your Switch is modded, you need to hold R while doing this, because otherwise you will pop up your atmosphere menu or whatever it's called. So you hold R while opening album, and you'll see your recent pictures. You can see a bit of Tears of the Kingdom right there because I've been playing it. So you need to select a picture and click posting and editing and send to smart device. So this will disconnect you from your Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and you need a smart device in order to do this. Or you can post it to social media and then download it. That's up to you, but I do it this way. So you need to send multiple if you're doing multiple, since you're doing what's it called? The Battlefield and FD versions as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and send all the pictures that I've taken. Oh, you can only select 10. Whatever, I'll just send that one later. So you need to go into this, and you want to scan the QR code that appears with your smartphone. Or in the case that you're posting to social media, it should be pretty simple. You just need to upload it and then download it on your PC. So I'm scanning it right now. And then you want to scan it again. And this will open up something on your phone from a browser, and you can download all the pictures there. So once you have them on your phone, it should be pretty easy to upload them to your PC with a USB device or with a cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox, or rather. So I'll see you on the PC. Okay, so once you're on your PC and you have your pictures, I have this folder right here with all the pictures in it. So once you have those, you open them up in your Photoshop or whatever, and you edit them to the size that fits with the mod. So I have provided pictures in the downloads section of this mod that I've uploaded to all the pictures that I used in the mod. So you can just download that and use that as a template to edit the picture. So I'm going to show you how to do that, or I'll show you an example. I have, let's say I have my Final Destination here. There should be templates for how the stages look. So this is the default Final Destination for my mod. This is how it looks in-game without any mods on it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm adding this picture on top of it that I took just now. I have a picture of Final Destination right here. So you see it's too big, but you want to size it down, and you have your scaling feature. So you want to size it. Oh, I should not have done that. I want to size it along the center. So I'm gonna stop resizing it, and I'm gonna around center on the right here, or you could just hold Control on GIMP. So it'll size it along the center, and you just size it down to the size that the original picture was, like right there. So that is the size of the original, or that is the size of the UI right now. And that's basically it. This picture is what you'll use in Switch Toolbox to import it into the mod. I'll show you how to do that as well. Oh, actually, before you need to export this picture. So once I've exported this, I'll export it to, let's say, let's see, my mod is Scania SSS modded. Let's name it that, and let's export it, and that's it. Okay, so I'll see you in Switch Toolbox. Also, I forgot to add that when you're doing the stage preview ones, there is a black outline to those, so if you want to keep that, you'll need to crop out in the pictures, or I think I can upload a picture with just this black outline, so you can just paste in your pictures that you took and then scale them down. So, okay, I'll see you in Switch Toolbox. Okay, so once you're in your mod folder, the one that has my stage selection screen mod in it, you want to head to, obviously the UI folder is the only folder in there, and go into the replace folder. This is where your UI for the mods will be, where things like the stage selection pictures will be. So stage 1 in here is the one that is the icon itself on the menu. So if you go in here, you can see that there's Animal City, Animal Village, Battlefield. So this is all the legal stage mods that we have in the thing. Menu music is not really important right now because that's only the icon for when you're selecting music, which is not really relevant to this mod really, but I included it just in case it messes something up. And also there's the training one, which I haven't actually changed because I see no point. And then also we have Yoshi's Story down here, which is Yoshi Corkboard. So all these have a random, or have a logical name behind them. So if you open these up in Switch Toolbox, I'm gonna open this up and open it with Switch Toolbox. I'll include a thing in the description too where you can oh, this is not the one I'm supposed to edit. Okay, so let's open up Final Destination, which is end. So stage_1 is always the icon itself for the thing. So if you open up Switch Toolbox, you'll see this. You click on this, and you'll see so you'll see the base or the default FD here. And if you just right click on your stage_1_end, and keep in mind you have to be in the picture itself, so like the picture or the file has a subcategory. So if you click on that and click on this, you get the picture up there. If you click on replace, you can so this is FD, so I want the modded FD one, wherever that was. I cannot see it. Oh, there it is. You can see the modded UI here. It's a little bit pixelated because it's all blown up on my screen, but you want to make sure you check Gamma Fix Smash Ultimate, because otherwise, if you boot it up in game, it's going to be super bright, and it will look way different than the other stage UI. If you don't, you just want to make sure this is checked whenever you're importing, except for one stage, and that stage is Yoshi's Story. So if you're doing it for Yoshi's Story, you don't want to check this. I don't know why, but for Yoshi's Story specifically, you don't want to check this. Okay, so we press OK, and this should fix the UI, and then we just save, OK, and then we close. So when we've done that, we're done with FD right now for stage_1. So I'm gonna do all these that are relevant, and you just do it for all the stages that you've edited, or added rather. So when you go back to stage_2, if you go to FD, I think this was the normal stage preview. Yeah, it is. Okay. So this is how the stage looks when you're hovering over it, like in the stage preview. And this is just, once again, replace, and you go into, I've saved them here, but wherever you saved your edited pictures, I have mine here. And once again, we click Gamma Fix, and that should fix it. So we click OK. And now it looks okay. So in the program itself, it's going to be a little bit dark, but that's just because you clicked Gamma Fix, so it darkens the picture for Smash Ultimate. And once again, we save, and we close. And we keep doing this for all the things. So stage_2 is the normal stage when you're selecting it in a menu. Stage_3, I'm pretty sure, is the Omega version or the FD version. So if we click on end here, it should be the exact same, unless this is the battlefield. It might be the battlefield. It is FD. Okay, so this is the exact same. I'm pretty sure you don't actually need to have this file in the first place because it's the same stage effectively. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do it just to be sure. So like in FD's case, oh wait, this is the wrong one. Okay. That's fixed. Okay. Let's save that and let's close again. And last but not least, this stage_4, this is Battlefield. So if you do Final Destination again, this is the Battlefield version of Final Destination, as you can see right here. So if I blow this up, and once again, replace. And now we do this one. Click Gamma Fix once again. You can see the Battlefield version right here, and we click OK, save, and close. So once you've done all these, you can go into or you can boot up Smash, as normal and test it out. If it doesn't work, it might be that you're still having to delete the UI of the like source mod where you have the UI in the first place. So if you get conflicts when you boot up Smash, make sure you have deleted your UI folder of all the mods, because you still need to do that. I was not clear on that, I'm sorry. You need to delete that UI folder, otherwise it will not work. Forgot to add that in the case of Small Battlefield, since it's a patched stage where it's added in a later patch, you want to go to release_patch and into stage, and once again do these. So you can see Battlefield, Small Battlefield is Battlefield S. And then you have the same thing in stage_2 and so on. So then you drag your mod that you've now edited to the mods folder here of your SD card, and that should just transfer. So once again, make sure you have deleted the UI folder of the affected mod, otherwise this will still not work. So you can see there's no UI folder in this thing, but that's because I already deleted it. So now let's go back to Smash. Okay, so we're back in Smash, and let's just check that it works. And you can see that I have the modded UI already here. So you can see that these icons are the ones I took. You can see the Scania flag right there, and in this one too. And also you can see the Scania ball on the FD. And of course this one, which is the most changed. So you can also see if I changed the Battlefield version or the Omega version, you can see those are also edited to fit whatever it is. And same with that one. So that's it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment and I'll try to answer them. So, see you later.